Alright, there's a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of southeast Arkansas and northeast Louisiana. It was issued about a minute ago. And I know they serve East Carroll and West Carroll. I'm just waiting for it to repeat itself. There we go. There we go. There's the new warning. The warning was issued at 6:01. So now they're just getting it on the air. Well, 5:01 Central, 6:01 Eastern.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashley County in southeastern Arkansas, CHICOT County in southeastern Arkansas, West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Central East Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northeastern Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Berlin to near Goodwill to near Darnell.
Okay, that's Monroe County. That's not one in Mississippi right now.
60 miles
Monroe County is on the north side of Columbus.
Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near.
Oh yeah, and I believe the county in Arkansas is now CHICOT County, not CHICOT County.
Central Daylight Time. Portland's around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Providence, Montrose, and Gasaway around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Edward and Shelburne around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Village, Chicout Junction, and Milliken around 5:35 p.m.
It's pronounced CHICOT.
McMillan Corner around 5:40 p.m.
But then again, I'm listening to it from Monroe, Louisiana.
By these severe thunderstorms include Epps, Forest, Kilbourne, Medina, and Pioneer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes.
Okay, this is basically the same warning. Yeah, they're basically the same warning.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for